Lights flash, chain reacts, Rave coins live, no turning back!
Degens swarming like moths to the flame. This volatile beauty plays a dangerous game. Pumps like it's personal, rewards off the chart. Tricky timing makes it pure degen art.
We chase it relentless, we chase it with glee, knowing full well how these binary stories end usually. Rave, rave, till the drop!
Rave till the drop. Green dildos dancing, we can't make it stop. Adrenaline high till that one cruel hour when the magic dies. Hands up for rave, ride the wave. Hands up for rave, ride the wave.
One more zero, the chat goes berserk. Number go up is the only word. We all pretend this time is different somehow, but deep down we know it's the same old BSC show.
Quiet now, feel the air get thin. The party's peaking right before the spin.
Rave, rave, till the drop!
Rave till the drop. We came for the thrill, now the floor's gonna pop. What a beautiful mess, shattered to nothing, but we love the process. Hands up for rave, ride the wave. Hands up for rave, ride the wave. Ride the wave.
Yeah, yeah, it's that orange glow.
Bitcoin glow up,
Bitcoin glow up.
glow up. Bitcoin glow up. Yo up.
Started in the shadows, now it's flexing on the timeline. Fiat looking dusty, Bitcoin doing fine wine and stacking little sets while the Normans stay asleep. We just quietly winning, no cap, no receipt.
Every 4 years the supply gets tighter. Watch the old rules burn. We turning up the cipher. Bitcoin glow up. Yeah, 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 yeah. We levitating. Glow up. Whole world watching, but we already graduating. Glow up, glow up. Feel the energy shift. This ain't just money. It's the ultimate flex.
Bitcoin glow up. Bitcoin glow up.
cool kids in the chat, dropping only real takes. Why the suits panic? We just hit refresh and celebrate. Break.
No banks, no borders, just pure cold running clean.
Right.
The new wave, living out the dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself for the turkey. But first, the cowbell.
Lights flashing brighter, no debating.
Part of a well-balanced diet. Every morning, yeah, you know I gotta try it. Pour it up, milky cereal in my bowl. My bowl. Mom's in life forever, that's good for my soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, frogs and squirrels, what did you have for breakfast this morning? Did you have any milky cereal? It's the only cereal that comes with its own milk. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Look, we nailed it! From today's stream, we nailed it! Nailed it! Yay! Where's my emotional support button, Sean? I need my emotional support button. We nailed it. Sean, I need my validation. Emotional support. All right, so Bitcoin had its little drop. So far, this little 372 area has been holding it. I actually posted into the Telegram group when I saw it come down there, and the options for it to come down. But I don't know if it's going to hold or not. It's trying. We tried. I'm going to play it. So I'm playing this little guy. What are you guys doing? You guys hearing about the RAVE coin? I mean, we've looked at it. We've tried to get setups for it. I just kind of throw something at it. That's just what I do. I don't know what you guys are doing, but that's just what I'm doing. And let's go see how it's doing. Is it doing anything? I'm up on one rate trade. I'm up 116% on our tiny accounts, which I'm trying to get this one not to be as tiny. And then on our other account, which is, did you get tinier? How did that happen? No. You do not go down, mister. It is down $2. What's up with that? How's that possible? Where's the RAVE trade over here? Oh, I guess I didn't play it over here. Well, that's my dumb luck, I guess. I should have prayed it. Maybe I wouldn't be down $2 or $1. Gosh darn it! What chickened out on me over here? I'm getting pissed. Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing tonight? Interesting day here on Bitcoin. Let's look at the indices real quick. Change it up just a little bit. This is crypto total. This is others. And this is the majority of the altcoins. And yeah, they're still feeling kind of down. I think we're going to change this back over to total 3 again. What we've been following. Total 3, the bulk of our Bitcoins are still in the sideways little range right here. This little box we got. But at least we're, headed up toward the top of it rather than going to the bottom. It's when we start heading toward the bottom that we really don't like it. If we're trying to make money on the upside to it, right? Meanwhile, when we look at the regular market just to see how they're feeling, because if they're not feeling good, usually crypto's not feeling good either. They're feeling kind of frisky over here, coming back to all-time high areas. Crazy. Didn't make it down to the area. I don't know if it will or if it will not. If it's just some dead cat bounce, some people think it might be. We are heading into sell in May, walk away, and it kind of kicks off a little earlier sometimes. It is mid-April. Interesting. To see how this happens over here, I might nibble me a little profit. This was a lower low. The chances of this being a lower high are or even a double top are a little bit higher in my personal opinion than going up for a new all-time high. But hey, if it wants to, I'm cool with it. But I am thinking about taking some profits on the stock marketplace that I've got going on over there. Meanwhile, we're watching Bitcoin dominance, not Bitcoin dominance, stable coins being sold out into something or another, mostly Bitcoin, from what we can tell with, some of the altcoins, but we can tell by Bitcoin dominance, most of it's coming back here into Bitcoin. And this is also, like we talked about, this is not the greatest sign that we've seen for altcoins. So we got some altcoins that are doing kind of good, and then we got the majority of them, which are kind of lackluster. Still in a great accumulation zone. But look at the roundingness going here, and that could lead to a stronger move to the upside. We might actually be making some new areas that we haven't hit since last year for Bitcoin dominance, as Bitcoin is definitely getting some global attention, being the coin of choice for the Iranian terrorist organizations out there taking over the Strait of Hormuz and charging. Mostly, I think Chinese ships in Bitcoin. So it looks like China, you are buying Bitcoin. Or did you take it out of your reserves? Did you just borrow it from Bitmain? You know they got all the Bitmain. They got all the Bitcoin in Bitmain. They would test those miners out by running them and keeping them. They would mine first and then sell them out. And isn't that a great business model right there? Work. I guess it's genius or devious or both. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 5 of the coolest people ever hanging out with the fried turkey tonight. And as soon as I can find you, I'll bring you down here and say hello. My computer's not been, she's acting kind of weird. I cleaned out a memory thing on it, but I'm not able to grab things over here as much. Shout out to PMO. You are first tonight, my man. You know what that means, right? You get some emotional support. You get a hand job right there. Speaking of, anybody seen Jenny lately? We need to get Jenny out here. Okay, there she is. All right, good. Anyway, shout out to PMO in the house, and we also got MG Motorsports from Down Under. How we doing, MG? Good to see you. Hey, Road Dog, are you still linked up with Tangent at all? Yeah, I still am. My code is still active and everything. DAWG gets you 10% off, and that's kind of basically the extent of my my dealings with him in the past little bit. Time for me to get some of my crypto off exchanges. Well, Tangent Wallet is awesome for that. And if you do want to save 10%, you just type in DAWG. You can download the app and do it through there. And that was kind of a cool option until you heard about Ledger putting a fake Ledger app out there that's been draining crypto wallets. So when you order the wallet from tangent.com, they will send you a QR code with the wallet, and you can just use that. Make sure you're getting the right program. There shouldn't be anything out there, but just to be safety safe, they got it all figured out. But yeah, they got several variations over there, and they got the Tangent wallets, man. All the cool kids like them. I gotta admit, when I first got it, I was a little suspect. You know, I'm always that way with the new wallet. I've even got a couple of other wallets from other hardware companies and stuff. And you try a new wallet out, even one on your phone. I'm like, I don't know about you. You gotta learn to trust it gradually, or I do. So it took me a while, but yeah, I have had no issues out of these, other than when the first generation cards went bunk on me with the little chip. But I have 2 more for a backup there. I haven't had any issues. They work great. And they keep expanding what you can do on it. So yeah, that's a great alternative. I think you can swap. I've got some other options. They're doing some stuff in Tangent, man. Wallets aren't what they were last cycle. They've evolved a lot. But yeah, buying a Tangent wallet, that does help support the channel. And I'll thank you. Thank you very much if you do the asset code. It doesn't cost you anything. It just saves you something. And they gave me a little bit better of a deal than they did others. I don't know what they're doing now. But. All right, so I'm looking at this is Bitcoin market. Bitcoin dominance coming back up, man. That's a little scary for altcoins. Meanwhile, altcoins today, how are we doing over here? Look at RAVE. Are you serious at $19? Are you for real? For real? That's amazing. Somebody needs to come over here and take some profits. What I'm kind of feeling. I thought I saw it at 17. Are you really at? Because I put in very little to you, Rave. I mean, you've already doubled up. I'm up 100%. I don't think you're 19 over here, man. No, you're $17 over here. What the hell? Are you going up or are you going down? Wait a minute, I already added to, yeah, it was this one, okay. I added to this one. I might. She looks like she's getting ready to fall down here to about 17 or something. I'm just wondering, how do I want to play this? Do I want to risk getting stopped out, or do I want to just take a little bit of profit while she's on the low look? Stochastics are down at the bottom. They could just flip right up on us, and I could be selling out too early. Or they could stay down here while we continue down. RSI. We've lost the 9. Should I take my profits now since she's falling? Or just let her ride and take what it is? Just take what I got. I had a little bit of a better entry, but I added another one in there. Since you are falling, it might be a good time to look at RAVE here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first, just to go over it. This is the, in the 1 minute? Oh, that's Degens. There's a 6 minute time frame over here. We did bounce off that 382 fib, and that was the local one from the low to the high here. Let me make sure that I always like to verify. Every once in a while, I'll pull these things out, and I'm like, oh, hell, that don't match up. Something went awry there. Always good to go back and double check. Oh, you're not as perfect as I wanted you to be, right here. So that little green line right here. Oh man, all right, screw it. Close enough. All right, so and we retested the line above us right over here, and we haven't made it above there quite yet. But the theory is, the thing that we're looking for, if this is what we're looking at here, if we continue to bounce off of here, I've got a much higher target. I'm going to re-pull this thing in a minute. All right, so my higher target, oh my God, you're killing me. My higher targets for this one are these two areas over. Wait a minute, what the hell are you doing? Let me just start from fresh here. Let me get this off here. That's distracting the hell out of me. All right, so from swing low, just cooperate, please. We're on live TV, live YouTube. Swing low to swing high, the 382 pullback. And the basic concept is this little guy, a 1-to-1 move, takes us up to the 618 area. Right over to his. And I'm going to label these little guys. I thought I had you labeled already over here. I'll keep these other targets I've got up there. I think one was a measured move from something. And if that's an AB equals CD target, a 1-to-1 move, and then you also got this nice little target right here. I think we got it good. So 79 and 78.24. If we can bounce off of this little guy here, we got the possibilities to go up there. I would still keep my eyes on this little guy right here. And I don't know if we're going to do that or not. We were in this channel. It's got some wiggle room, and we went over that the other day with this trend line right here. But that's where it was a good place to short. So I've still got some shorts going on right there. Some of them might got stopped out as we came up over here. But if we're going to come back up and test this guy, if we're going to break out of this, we can get bullish and we can get a strong move. So I'm having to pinch myself that it's actually happening over here, if it's happening. So I'm going to take this trend line now and put it over here. We got some angle of respect right there. It's respecting that angle. Wow, that'd be amazing that this holds. And this is just another one of our little legs to the upside right there. It's just hard. It would have to break out of this channel. That would have to be a good move. Makes me wonder what the liquidity heat map looks like. I haven't really checked that out today. Let's see. That is, who does that? Liquidation heat map. Yeah, CoinGlass. Just kind of a quick look before they ask me to log in or anything crazy over here. It's not really showing anything up there. It's got more of it down here around 73 too, so take that for what it might be worth. Do you think you're coming down to 73,200? That's not too far to fall. It's just coming down to retest these guys down through here. Meanwhile, we're not there yet, and it looks like we might have a possible bounce. Did we recover? We recovered the 200 moving average, but we got the 100 below it and the 50s below it. They got some work to do. Some people might be interpreting a head and shoulders pattern there, but even if it bounces or comes down, finding something around 74.3. Is that what you had over here? Huh? Oh, no, you got 73. What is this? I can't read you. 73.7 is what they had over here. I'm seeing about 73.3, 73.4. The 50 moving average is what I'm looking at if we lose it. I hope we don't. I hope we don't. We're trying to maintain that 200, but we got some sandbagging moving averages under here. But basically, we got some good crosses over here. I think we got a chance to see if we can hold this level. At least I want to hold this trend line, if nothing else. Let that be my line in the sand at the current moment right here. For a good old Bitcoin. Let's come over and let's take a look at RAVE. RAVE DAO. It's a DAO of all things. It's a freaking DAO. 17 cents or $17. There's the missing fib. I knew I lost one somewhere. I'm glad I recovered you. Don't want the enemy to get you. 4-hour chart about the non-moving average, man. I can't say anything bad about it, but I can say it has a habit of coming back at some point and touching those non-moving averages. And sometimes it breaks them. That's a nice little trend line right there, if I do say so myself. I drew it right there. I'm artistic. Autistic, whichever. They both have spectrums. All right, so we got a trend line here, and then we got a secondary one. Yeah, let's dial it in, baby. Dial it in. Ooh, you're so close to it. You're getting me kind of frisky over here. Did you already meet a measured move, dude? Because it looks like you already pulled off one of these little dudes. Let's see. Let's take an impulse move right here. Put you right there. And I would say, gosh darn it, you made your AB equals CD perfectly today. What the hell am I doing over here? I need to be taking some profits. That was from here to here, though. I really want to take you into consideration, though. I really want to take all this in consideration. The whole move. Yeah, 618. Respect. Respect my 618. 21 moving average is also coming up with our 236 from that big overall pool. If it falls from this trend line, do you guys plan on trying to get in, or do you think it might be about over for this, that the hype would be dying down and it's going to do what a lot of the other Binance plays do? Although this one, I don't know if it'll, honestly, I don't have very much faith that it'll be a prominent token in our space or last very long. But she should sure be fun to play on the way up right here. And since she's starting to bounce here, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. She's bouncing off the 200s, so I might get a chance to take some profit over here soon. That would be cool. Are you curving up a little bit? That would be even cooler. Have you got something curvy? How many of you guys are in RAVE? Let me come on. I got 10 of the coolest people ever hanging out with me tonight. I'm sorry that I have to do this, but hey, we have to pay the bills around here, right? Good ass coffee in your cup, ladies and gentlemen. That's what you need to keep you up all night long. Society X says we got no sound on the. Really? All right, I think we got that fixed, Sean. Sean, do you have the good ass coffee thing working now? I think we got sound now, right? See, you ruined it, Sean. We're such a great, loving, dysfunctional family here. DMOR says, good ass coffee, no sound. This happened the last couple of times I've done that. Oh, well. I guess we'll have to do another commercial soon. Good ass, no sound coffee. How we doing, guys? My government just passed a shit law that is they're going to tax the crap out of crypto. They want their slice, and a slice bigger than mine. Self-custody is the go. Governments get crazy, don't they? Sorry to hear that, my man. If the U.S. would get off their lazy asses and the bankers would stop trying to do what bankers always keep trying to do, little greedy bastards. If they would just set out some realistic legislation and something that's respectable, other countries would probably follow through. But we really got no leader in this space because of the damn banks. Did you see Gary Gensler pop up a few weeks ago talking about even he's still got influence in this dang market, I think. Meet Damien! How's it going, Meet Damien? Hola, mi amigo! I am so watching your live stream here in San Jose, Costa Rica. With the ticas and the ticos. After just finishing my stream a few minutes ago. Pura vida in Costa Rica. How's it going, Damien? Damien, if you don't know, is a fellow YouTuber, which, man, I had my YouTube thing up here. What happened to it? I think I accidentally erased it over here. Let's just go ahead and take care of this. And you can find him streaming. He was streaming at 8 o'clock tonight. And then Joe, I think, went after. Joe goes at 9. And see your channel going. I was seeing you getting more and more views over here, Damien. You're branching out here. A lot of people are hanging out over there. I think Ave hangs out over there too. Good information. And actually, I think you were talking about RAVE tonight too. I was tuning into you earlier tonight too. It kind of had a little influence on my thumbnail. I'm sitting there, what the hell? I need a thumbnail idea tonight. And I'm like, well, I'm in RAVE. It is tripping. Let's go with RAVE. So thank you, Meet Damien. You gave me a thumbnail idea. If you didn't catch the beginning, you might want. I'm just saying. Unless you got a Tika with you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is RAVE over here. Are you trying to do something funky to me, or are you going to get rejected over here? You know, I'm still coming over here, and I'm going to. Where are you, Bluefin? This is a tiny position. I only got 3 of them over here. Where'd you go, RAVE? Did you stop me out? Okay, well, I guess I got stopped at. Really? Did you really? Yeah, you got me. 40%. Only 40%? Yeah, little cheapskate. You were up 100. That's my fault. I put my stop loss down and she came down and got me at my stop. I should have asked for more. I feel cheated. I want a refund. No refund, says Strega. You know it's coming. Oh, man. So it's buy high and sell higher for RAVE, and now she's reached a point where she wants to come down. There is some bearish divergence over here on the bigger time frames. I saw that earlier. So, man, I'm trying to figure out, well, where do I want to try to play this little casino coin again, because that's how I look at it. Yeah. She flushes out, so even she will hunt your stop loss. It gets tricky to trade. And on some of the exchanges, you gotta, the way that they're asking, like the reason I'm not really doing it over here on Weeks is because they won't let me have a little position. I've got to buy a bunch more than what I want to do for this small account, and it puts my small account at risk. So that's why I'm not trading it so much over here. Like I have to buy like 10 of them or something crazy like that. More than what or how much is it? Let's find out. What is it over here with you? Green tickets in the air, cherry pick the wins, crop out the rips, post that one trade, let the Sims invest. Where you at, RAVE? You are over here, right? Oh, you are here, right? Yeah, there you are. You're at $17 over here. Oh, well, I guess I got stopped out of my short on BTC. Bitcoin must be moving up right here. Yeah, so if I want to go in on RAVE, I got like, let me see, I would try 7. But even at 7x, what I got to do to, how much I got to do to buy it? It wouldn't let me, it won't let me do, minimum order is 10 RAVE. 10 RAVE, so I've got to buy $170 worth of this thing. where it can just start immediately coming down at 7x, and that would be horrible for this small account. So that would not be cool. But over here on Blowfin, I can buy small amounts of it, right? I don't have that restriction. So I can try the FOMO in over here. I don't think it's ready to go up yet, but hell. Do you have any divergence? I don't see any divergence here at all. Part of me wants to just get right back in. That's the Degen gambling part of me. The other part says, no, man, you need to chill out and wait for it to come back down, man. See what it's going to do, man. Don't let the Degen take over on you. Don't be losing the money. You lost the 50 moving average here in what is a 3 minute. Probably coming down here to the 100. See, I would have been in the red right there. But I'll be laughing at you. Don't laugh at you. How do you guys put up with the turkey talking crazy all night? I don't feel like just slapping the bejesus out of him or anything. Hey, you guys had your milky cereal today?
Part of a well-balanced diet. Every morning, yeah, you know I gotta try it. Pour it up, milky cereal in my bowl. My bowl. Mom's in life forever, that's good for my soul. Hey, yoga pants, coffee mug, hair in a bun, dropping kids at school.
Milky cereal. It's got its own milk. It comes with its own milk. Delicious. All right, so we just dropped like a rock here on Rave, hitting my little support line. Do I want to Degen in now? You know I do. You know I do. I'm a little Degen at heart. No, don't do it, Road Dog. Don't Degen in. You know you don't want to Degen in. Oh, you don't know the Road Dog. Of course I want to Degen in. It's just not letting me. Or I'd already be there. Why are you telling me I don't have any money or something? Oh, yeah, we got to do this whole Rave thing. You can only buy one. I can only buy one at a time. I'll buy one at a time. Oh, look, I Degen in like a little fool. I'm going to take this little stop loss and put it somewhere miserable. Oh, man. Are you going to regret this? I may regret this. I'm blowing my rules out of the water. Usually I get my ass handed to me when I do it, but it's buy high and hope to hell you can sell higher with Rave. I have no other way to describe it. I it'll just changes so quickly. But we are on the 1 minute time frame. You want to come down here a little bit? I'll take some more if you want to come down a little bit. I'm just saying. Oh my God, I'm up a whopping. What? Seriously, that's 12% already? That's nuts. Are we going to make it worse? Are we going to make it worse? I'm not trying to make it worse over here. Are you going up? You're going down? You ain't telling me. I'm going to find out. I want to get all the skinny over here. I'm going to come to the 10-second chart and get the skinny. What are you doing over here on Rave on the 10-second, man? Are you flipping, flopping? Or are you getting ready to come back down? That looks a little nasty right there. I'm just saying. 1 minute. What are you saying? You look kind of frisky, like you might be trying to do something over here 1 minute. Was that my best move? You do have bullish divergence there on the 1 minute. Hello, baby. Boom. Pick me up a second Rave. Well, I guess I can't put my stop loss under my liquidation. That doesn't make sense, does it? I'll just put it under here. Putting $1.16 at risk on this tiny account. Hope it doesn't make it any more tinier over here. I don't see anything that I need to take profit on other than maybe River, but that's a tiny trade. You were up, though. You're down, River. River, what are you doing? I think I'll just manage it. Wait a minute. That's a lower high, River. You give me a lower high. What's up with the lower high, man? Hell, River. You're doing good, though, really. You're at $9 again. You made it up to 9.4. You just hit the bottom. I'm not going to be too quick to pull the trigger on it. I'm going to give it some breathing room over here. I'm going to give it some breathing room over here. Did you take profits on it already? Have I taken profits? I have. I've taken some profits on it. That's why it looks so small now. All right. I'm just going to let you ride. I'm going to let you ride. Going to let it ride. I don't see anything there I need to manage. Let me come over here and see if there's anything over here I need to. Oh, yes. Buy oil shorts. Shorting that oil. It's $88 right now. Short it, baby. Short it. Yeah, we got Trump in the house, baby. Shorting that oil.
Another one.
I tried to long it. It looked like it's going to do something, but it just, I think it stopped me out. Didn't do a crap thing. It looks like it can. It went down to $84. That's where I should have took some profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some out before it gets away from me over here. I want to do the last price, do 25% over here. Just take a little nibble. Did that work? Did that work? Did you realize profit? Okay, so yeah. So my total, what the profit I've taken is more than what I've got in on margin now, and I've still got even more than that still unrealized. I should probably just go ahead and take another 25. Because okay, it did it there. All right, that's cool. And if it pops up over here, maybe I'll add to the short there. It's got my, I think my entry's at 94. Maybe we come back up and test 89 or 90. I might add some more to that short there. Let's see, anything else? We took some profit on you and on you. I'm going to let those ride too, I believe. XTI, I got about 3 different oil shorts going on over here. Probably wouldn't hurt. I just hate taking profits at the top. It's kind of like shorting the bottoms or buying the tops. Or why do you want to do it here? All right, I'm going to let these little guys ride over here. See if we can find something. Oh, look at you, Rave. Are you finally feeling your Wheaties? I think it's a bullish divergence here in the 1 minute. And can you claim, or is that 9 moving average going to do a U-turn over here on that 200, or is it going to cross over? It's kind of information I need to know right now. I'm just saying. No rush, but come on, do that 180. I need that 180. I mean, I really need that 180. I'll tell you what, you do that 180, I might buy one. I'm just saying, let's make a deal. Win-win. As long as you keep going up, we both win. See where I'm going with this? I suggest let's take that tactic. Let's corner the market, Rave. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to disappoint you there and call you River. All right, so I'm waiting to see if this thing we'll get some momentum coming in here, get some volume coming in. We got some rise in price with some volume after a nice little dumpy dump right there, flush out. See what they're trying to do, but I think they might be. I'm hoping this little green line here will do a U-turn over here. Let me come to the chat and see what you guys are talking about. What's going on, man? Yes, good ass coffee. Ticos are dudes, Ticos are girls. I'm here for the Ticos. The Ticos are awesome. The Ticos have tatas. The Ticos have chichis. Let's check the chichis. ZoomX is raving hard. This is IDX. All right. I can't see if you're getting bullish or bearish on me. I guess we're going to come down to the 10-second chart and get the skinny. Are you above that 9 moving average? Why not? Are you going to do it? Because I need to see that. You're losing it. You're making me lose confidence in you on the 10 seconds. Second by second, man. Come on. You got to do something good for me. Don't lose that line. Don't lose that one. I will sell you in a heartbeat, mister. I'll push that stop loss up, mister. I need some bouncing. Jenny, show Jenny, can you show Rave how to bounce properly? You do, Jenny, you do even better than our Rave girl in the intro. I'm just saying, you really got it. Doesn't she, everybody? And Jenny, doesn't she have the bouncy features that you've seen? I mean, even of all the other, maybe the Bear Girl does pretty good, but I think she's. Hey, mister, watch those hands. I see what you're doing. My emotional support buttons kind of like to. They like to violate our HR policies over here. Makes me want some milky cereal. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's come over and let's take a look at some altcoins and see if we got anything that's starting to do something other than rave. DEXE, are you freaking kidding me? You finally jumped up? Did I not kill that trade? I think I killed that trade. trade. I bet I killed that trade. I did not kill that trade. I'm up 117%. I didn't kill it. I really thought I killed it. I got so tired of trading DXE. It was not doing, I mean, it's a tiny position, dude. I mean, tiny. It's not even worth talking about tiny. I should probably just jump the hell out of it right now. It is that tiny. That's crazy. I'll give you a chance. I'll give you a fighting chance. I mean, remember, this is a tiny ass account, right? Tiny ass account. And I got 57 cents of margin on there. So I just doubled that up. Man, I should have went full pour. I should have went like $100. I'd have 200. That's the voice that gets you wrecked right there. So DEXE is pumping. Can it sustain that pump? Well, let's take a look at DEXE. Let's get off the 10-second time frame though. That's a little too much. Oh, beautiful. It nailed our target right there. That's amazing. It went right exactly to where we programmed it would be, but I didn't have a take profit over there. Why not? Why didn't I wonder, talking to myself. But anyway, for the sake of YouTube, we got to do this. Nailed it! Woo! Oh yeah, we're supposed to. It takes too long to do this stuff, man. Come on. All right, so just take a picture, and we'll just quickly post it over here to. This is DXE, right? We'll post it over here in our vanity wall. We gotta come over here and give some shout outs to the vanity wall anyway. Let's see, the April the 13th. I think we went over this last night. Wait, this is old trades from last night. That was me. Who else is over here? These are mine. I think those. Somebody else. Okay, yeah. Digital Native Society X. I think that's Society Entertainment here. Society X. 14% on the Ethereum trade right there. Nice. And this was Solana trade. Solana's being slow, man. Solana's being slow. Here was a river. I didn't close it, but I took some profits. When I post them up here, I'm usually taking profits, taking 25% or something when I post them up like this. Some of the oil shorts and things. So it's been a decent few days. I've been happy seeing one account grow. Kind of just wanted to see Blowfin. Something didn't take off. I guess I got stopped out of something. Oh, here's one. Is Bitcoin trade right here. Bitcoin short right here. Of I'm hitting the wrong buttons. Entry price is 75 to 48. That's a good short entry right there, my man. We're sitting at 74,360 right now. If you still got this one open, it's even bigger than that was. So shout out to Digital Native Society X Entertainment. Brother, yeah. This was DEXE. Nailed it. All right, so we nailed it. All right, let's get back to the chart now and see if we. What are you trying to do on something on a smaller time frame? Man, that's a big 1 hour candle, man. That is a big 1 hour candle. You're almost back up to the target area. Did you take me out? Am I still in you? I'm still in you. I'm still in you. This is on the 3-minute time frame. Want to let her ride. I wish I had a bigger position, but of course, should have had a bigger position when I started, right? Whose fault is that? Shut up! All right, let's come over to our gainers and losers. Who's the losers today, man? You're a loser, River. You're at 896. It's not that bad. Midnight is down to 3.5 cents. They're not down to... Wait a minute. Gainers and losers. Why have I got a mixed bag over here? What happened? Wait a minute. Refresh, mister. You're supposed to be in descending order here. What the hell is this? We're gonna go 24 hours top. Okay, yeah, this is what we're looking for. I That didn't make any sense. Ultima, we were looking at that, and that was down 17%. I never could find any place to trade it. Lighter, LIT, that was a boring ass trade. Actually, I think I'm still in that. Is it down 9%? Am I still in that little boring ass trade? Where was that at? No, I think I pulled the stop loss up when he said just let it die or whatever he wants to do. I think we did. Okay, good. That was a boring ass trade, man. That one wasn't going anywhere. Too many coins. Siren is down a little bit. I don't know if people want to chase it. They're too busy chasing Rave right now, I think. Dash is coming down. Remember Dash, we said to mark it. It comes down about $34. I think that would be a good place to start to get into to Dash. Meanwhile, this Rave's been taking the place by storm. That's the new gambling coin right there to be chasing. I say that because I think it's tied to Binance Smart Coin, and we know how that play happens. Silver seems to be going up. Almost $80 for silver? Nice. We looked at DEXE. She just popped up out of nowhere and says $11. Crazy as that seems. I got some of that on spot. I need to unload over here, man. And gold. Oh my God, are you serious? Is gold up? I wasn't planning for you to go up that far, gold. Take a look at XAUT. This is tokenized gold. Yeah, you're flipping a revenue here. Gold. You're making it hard for me to accumulate if you keep going and going up like this. I can't really accumulate at discount prices, mister. I think you need to slow the hell up, gold. You're getting too ambitious here. So it looked like it was all over for gold, right? Is it? We haven't made it past the 0.5 Fibonacci, not just quite yet, and some people might still be seeing that as a bear flag idea. So, and it could be another little move to the downside. There definitely could happen right here like that. Could be coming down to 35. That'd be a big ask. It'd have to break some trend lines over here, which is not beyond doing it. Right now, we've got an idea where we got a secondary trend line. I want to follow that idea. Wow, gold. I've got all eyes on gold to see if it can make a recovery or not. It's trying. It's trying. Let's see. You got a golden cross here on the 4-hour 50 moving average. That's the blue one. Cross the yellow 200. 100 is about to cross it as well right here. Now, about 2 out of 3 times when the 100 crosses the 200, you might get a pullback down through here, okay? That might be what happens if we get rejected over here, and it looks like we might be. Let's come down and look at our smaller time frames. 36 minute. I gotta watch it to see if we actually get rejected over here. But it looks, the movement, the momentum looks pretty decent. Probably some of the wartime threats or whatnot happening. Let's see if you hit our 113 over here. Did you get it? You did, okay. So probably going to get a little bit of a pullback here locally. Hopefully somewhere about 47.50. I didn't expect you to hit 4,800 so soon. Let's take a look at Solana. It's been kind of a boring ass trade. She's had a down day today, hasn't she? She got up to 87 and now she's got the pullback. Thought that it could probably do that. So she's back about $83. Testing the crux of the trend line here. It's kind of, I think we talked about that idea. She's kind of at the top of her channel idea. She's at resistance. Just coming back to the bottom of resistance. So there could be a good entry over here. If I want to make a boring ass Solana trade, but I think I did already. Unless I got stopped out. Did I take profit or get stopped out? Was it? I can't remember where I don't have a Solana trade. Well, I guess we can get a Solana trade. Solana. You're at $83, baby. And dropping. So, my take on it is that we're in a channel. Could be coming down to the bottom of that channel. 0.5 is down here. What is that? 82.29. I want to crank up my leverage just a little bit. That was what, 80? 82.20, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and do my stop losses on this one. I just want to put my stop loss right under here. If it breaks my trend line, my idea is about invalidated. 78.33. Alright, so how much can I buy to stay basically within my rule? If I'm building a position, I'm probably not going to go too bad. Probably add to it a little bit. It is just not the greatest risk to reward ratio for me, but I want to throw out a tiny nibble just to see what happens there. Oh, River, you feeling better again? Well, good for you. All right, let's take a look at Hype. Hype, oh, she had a nice little bounce from over here.
Another night, same chair, same glow. Screen's the only light in the
I think we looked at this earlier. Too high for me to buy. 618 is what she was getting her, finding some rejection at right over here. And oh, she never even came back. That was one of the areas I was talking about. Might be a good entry is to come back down here, 21 moving average area. Hasn't quite done that. She's got some curve to her too. Might have a possible bear trap scenario if it's just a badly drawn trend line. Probably a badly drawn trend line. Hype has still got it going on over here. It still looks strong. Too high for me to buy it though. Too high for me to buy. I don't want to buy the tops. It is Tuesday. So we got through false move Monday. We made it to Tuesday. Are we going to get our dump on Wednesday? Because sometimes that happens. And let's take a look at our altcoins over here. So you're seeing we're not getting that exciting stuff going on now. They've dropped in the past hour, just actually. How much have you dropped this past hour? Ooh, what's impacting you, man? What peed in your cornflakes, mister? I'm just asking you. Genius coin is kind of up. Compound, it was $17. That was a good play. Wish I'd played that. I kind of like that. I was going to play it. River sitting at $9 according to this, if that's accurate. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me come back and talk to you guys for a second. ZoomX sponsor has F1 team, do they? I just looked it up and apparently they do. Joe from Trade Intuition, have you smashed the like? That's a rhetorical question. Have you?
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
I got Joe from Trade Intuition, streams at nightly at 9 p.m. Catch him over Crypto Coin Mindset on the stream over there too. Collaborating, but great place to go right before this stream just to kind of check out the alpha that he's sharing. Joe from Trade Intuition, shout out to you, my man. Thank you for being here. My handsies buttons are not being as handsies as they should be. Hey, we got Anita. How's it going, Anita Show? We're heading for a Black Swan event. By definition, though, we're not supposed to know if there's a Black Swan event, because if we know it's coming, then it's not a real Black Swan event. Just by pure definition, maybe just by pure legalism, we can argue that point, we can debate it, maybe we can compromise. But by pure definition, if you can see it coming, it's not a black swan. Could it be a gray swan? Why's it got to be a swan? Why's it got to be a black swan? I'm just asking. Black swans matter too, you know. Awesome. Road Dog gave you the clap. Penicillin will not take that away from you, Joe. I'm just saying. This turkey's been around. Anyway, salmonella ain't got nothing on me. Don't lick me. I'm just saying. All right, so. Man, Hype, you're actually looking kind of ballsy right here. This is a 4-hour. What are you doing over here on the smaller time frames? 15-minute rejection at the 618? That could be our lower high idea there. Or she could just be fooling us. Oh, look, I can't lift it. I can't lift. Sight, I fooled you. And she'll be up here like tomorrow on like at $45. I think we got a target around 50, right? Yeah, $50.90 right in that area. Guys, if you got any coins you want me to take a look at, feel free to share them. Otherwise, I will run out of things to talk about, and we will. Well, I'll just go to bed, basically. I do want to take a look at Siren since it's down. It's a little degen token that might get degen again. I don't know. See if it's got anything going on with it. I don't know. What am I looking at here? What is this? This is absolutely horrible price action. This is crappy price action. I mean, the one thing, I mean, we're testing this area here. We'll say that, but this sucker was manipulated. Look, the Adam and Eve double top over here. I don't trust it as far as I can throw it, honestly. It's got a golden cross or a death cross over here. It was smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour or the 4 hour. How about that? Consolidating over here. There's a move getting ready to happen. I just don't trust it. I just don't trust it at all. Have we got anything trustable? Oh, you got a 382 from here. You lost all your damn trend line ideas. No, I wouldn't trust you, man. I just don't trust you yet. I can't help it. You're a siren. You're meant to lead us in the wrong direction anyway through our deaths. All right, we can watch it. Just not sold on it just yet. Here it is on the 15-minute for all you little degens. I know what's going to do it. It's going to bounce off there. It's going up to. That's going to be at $1.15 by midnight. Good luck with that. Okay, I thought we might have something there. Apparently we do not. I do want to take a look at Dash. That one is of interest to me. Did we not just do that earlier? Oh, you are down at target area. I did not realize that. You are at target area. You are looking very sexy to me. I would like to nibble on your nuggets, if you don't mind, Dash. Whatever that means. That's code word for twerky. All right, let's get some of these. Hey, twerky. So, Dash, I think we're going to have to zoom out. Oh, look! Oh, yes, it was one of those guys, if we're looking at it from that perspective. Open and broaden and just connecting those. That's a little bit of a... We've got 3 touches. It's valid, but there's a big gap through there. Breakout and retest of that line, though. You can't deny that. Yeah, it's respecting that little 3-touch line right there so far. Anyway, 50 moving average, getting some respect, getting some love. Okay, what other ideas have we got over here? This one's not as great, but yeah, you can. Let's get 3 touches too. Though falling wedge breakout to the upside, you know you can also come down here and retest this trend line area too, about 34. And if I'm not mistaken, that's about the area where I would really like to kind of get in on this one. Let's see, our 200 moving averages down here in this area, the 360s down here, and the 100s down here. It's kind of all revolving around the 50. If the 50 holds, I'm not seeing this happening, but if we start losing that pretty soon, and she keeps testing it over the last 12 hours, she's trying to push through it. Got some crosses over here. Will that help the cause for it to come down? Let me get a vote from the fibs and see what the fibs say. What do you say, fib? Fibs say it is possible. So we'd kind of be looking from one of the trend lines from over in these areas. We go from wick to bodies and see if that gets us close up there. Could you do an 886? That'd be getting out of your zone. I got 800 up here, 360 down here. Usually we'll stay within the zone. I would hope that we wouldn't break that zone. I've still got my eyeball over here, but I need to see that 50 moving average drop. Let's see, and that would be the 100 moving average on the 1 hour. Crazy how that math works, isn't it? Here we've got the 9 moving averages. Look, have you already crossed? 9 moving average is coming in at $38.24, according to my little thing over here. And yeah, you can see it crossed here. It crossed to the downside. So I think you might be coming down, slow burn to the downside over here. I'd be looking about $33. I'd have to get back in Dash. It looks like we came up and kind of retested this trend line area, right? This trend line right here, we came up and didn't quite touch it. You don't have to touch it, but that's where we got rejected, right up there. I would say that we got a pretty high as far as reciprocal fib here. I guess that's the right word to use. 1.5. Not quite up to 1.618. That's a pretty good extension for what it did there. That was a good higher high. So all we need now is a higher low on this. So I'm on higher low alert. Now, some of you guys might have heard me say this before, but one of the strategies that I have goes back to one of the things Degens and some others have said. He's not the only ones who have said it. But what Degens would say is that when you see a reversal happening, when you find support at the bottom and your reversal, your consolidation happens and you get your reversal, you will make the higher high. He recommends that next higher low. That's where you go in hard and heavy. That's going to be one of the best moves to find before it goes up. That is what Degens shared in some of his writings and stuff, and I take that to heart, and that's one of the things that I try to do. So if we got our first higher high, I'm looking for the higher low, baby. I want to see where it's going to go. That's the one. And so maybe coming down to around $33, $34, and that's what I'm looking for Dash. Black Turkey event, says Anita Cho. Oh, wait a minute. I'm getting some vibes here. It's coming and going, but I think the turkey's turning psychic. I'm picking up some vibrations from lots of places, really. But one of them vibrating chairs. That's pretty awesome. Hey, wait a minute, I'm picking up some vibes. Wait a minute, somebody, one of you guys has a need. I can sense it. Wait a minute, one of you guys has a need. There's a coin request. I'm picking this up. I'm telepathic turkey. I believe. I'm getting sensitive. I can feel it's got boobs. This coin is not titty coin though. It's powerful. It's elegant. What? Oh, okay. I'm getting some hairy Houdini vibes, and they are hairy and fuzzy Houdini vibes over here for ladies. I feel the need to look at ladies. I don't know. Let's come over here and let's take a look at ladies coin. I got a feeling. Wait a minute. Before we go there, the crypto spirits are telling me. I'm getting an image. It had a rise. It's been doing good. Oh, goodness gracious. She went up. So here we are on the 4 hour on ladies. We would look at this every night, people. I'm just being stupid. It's a meme coin. It is. It's about some kind of unicorn? I don't know. I do have some of it though. I saw the ribbon flip thing happening and some support, so I said, well, hell, since we look at it, I might as well be in it. Now I got a reason to look at it. And we made higher highs over here. So it's what we've been waiting for, Anita. I'm just saying. Anita's boss's name, and they use that account. It's a complicated soap opera. I'm waiting for the book to come out to see how this story ends, because I don't have a clue. I don't know who's the protagonist and the antagonist in the story and how that works out, but it's fascinating. And sometimes the names change. I feel like I'm in a Jason Bourne movie when Anita chose those up. All right, so we made higher highs, and so we're the same thing. We're looking for higher lows. We got a ribbon flipping happening here on the 4 hours. crazy as it seems, this little meme coin is coming out of its accumulation zone. And once they get out of the accumulation zones, that becomes the, man, I wish I'd, why didn't I buy down there? I wish I bought down there. Smart money bought down there. Oh, I'm not smart money. This is where the smart money buys the meme coins. So I laugh when I put those two sentences together, smart money and meme coins. But apparently the smart money is in there, smart money and meme coins too. I'm going to erase all these hopeful dreams that were dashed from, when was this? Of June of last year. Have we been looking at this coin for this long? For real? Oh my God. Look from over here. How far did it drop? 88% from over here. That's crazy. You know, if it goes back up there, what does that look? It dropped 88%, but from where it is exactly right now, just to get back up there, that's 564% gains. That's almost a 6x. If you put $100 in, it's only worth about $22, or at the bottom, right? If you bought the very tippy top, I'm going in on the flag to the upside, baby. And it came all the way down. You'd be down 91%. But from where we are right now, you'd be down 84%. So your $100 theoretically would be worth about 20. Is it just not $26? $16, right? So you'd have $16 worth of ladies, which is kind of what I got. I think I only got about $16 worth of ladies. I got no spot margin though. I don't have a very big bag of it. I am playing a very, very tiny spot margin playing it though. But imagine this. You got $16, but if it goes back up there, if you bought it here or if you doubled up, so you just put $16 in here, well, then you could have $100, or when we get back up here, or whatever 6 times 16 is. I'm just theoretical philosophizing then over here. All right, so what we did with ladies, I feel like I erased everything that I had on my screen. Was that smart? I don't think I should have done that. She got a beautiful 1.414 retracement right there that held. Not the common one I look for, but we will take it. We're going to start zooming out a little bit here. So, let's get our 236 loaded up there. Well, also take into account our 382. What would it look like here on the 12-hour chart, bigger chart? Anyway, we ribbon flip and we come up here. That's a 100% move right here. And we're not even looking at this area over here that's in the middle. As we start climbing up through these moving averages, and then we start coming up and testing the 800, and we can go below it, I'll go above it, and I'm thinking we can come up to this 28 area. So from here to up there, hither, that's about 150%. She's getting ready to do it. She's getting ready to do something. It may just come up and butt crack. We may do double bottoms. I don't know, man, but she's getting ready to make a little move, and it's quite substantial when you consider the percentage of move that it makes, and not just this coin, but some other coins. And it's really quite surprising. I can see the appeal on some of these little Degen meme coins if you're patient with them, because this is where you're getting some gains, man. Look, 100% to get up here where we spiked up. I mean, it's been since last year we spiked up there. But at some point, we should come up and go test that area again, and that will be 100% gains over here. And now we're starting to see where that's starting to happen. We're getting the round happening over here. Nice. I like it. I like what I'm seeing here, chart-wise, for a nice slow accumulation. And if you're trying to make a big play on spot and hold it for a while, or low spot margin, low leverage that doesn't eat you up too bad, decent area in my personal opinion. And now she's made higher highs. We need that higher low. Right now though, what's happening over here, man? Why are you getting those red dots and stuff? Why's money flow going down? Right now she's saying she pumped today, I guess. Just retest it. Look at here at the 12-hour. You got a 9 moving average just trying to cross over that 360 right there. It's shaping up really nice. It's shaping up nice. MG Motorsports says, Tau. Let's go take a look at Tau. Oh, you fall down, Tau. So everybody loved Tau, then all of a sudden nobody loves Tau. We're on the 12 hour. It's testing that 200 moving average. Let's go to the daily. Oh, let's see what we got. So we went up and talked to Miss Lucy right there, the little devil girl. I need to get a new one. New Lucy. She made a higher high. That's good. I'm going to go with the same thing, man. We came in. This was the low. It was the wick. We came down, retested it. This is the first higher high we got. So now we should be looking for a trend change. The next higher low. Let me just clear out all this stuff. Looked up those on smaller time frames. That one looks good. And yeah, there's 618. I think we took a measure move too. I think we were looking at something like, was that it or something? Wait, somehow we got a measure move. That would have been whatever. But we lost that trend line, lower high there. But looking for that higher low, and I think the 618 area would be a great place. So test that little guy. And we're testing the 100 moving average here on the daily, so that might be a nice strong support area. So looking on the smaller time frame, just kind of looking to see if we're starting to make any kind of bottoming pattern. Checking our moving averages. I think we can still come down a little bit. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. It's getting in a good area. Let's check out for some divergence here. Since we're coming down this way. And it's a little. I mean, there is. There actually is. Make sure we got it lined up. Yeah. So it's forming some bullish divergence. It's already formed it. This is the this is the reaction we got from it so far. So I don't know if this is the one that's going to be the reversal. Since we're so close to the 618, I would still be looking out for this area. But this is not a bad place to build a position if you're trying to build a bag of it in this zone. As long as it just don't break the trend lines or go very much further down, right? Pretty decent place. I think we can be patient and probably catch it just a little bit lower. But if by chance it doesn't, and now we're making a falling wedge, now these do have a high chance of breaking up. It's usually about 75% of the way in before we get to the apex, according to Thomas Bukowski. And if we continue these lines out, we're close to being there, right? So if it does get a breakout of this, I would consider definitely nibbling or maybe adding to your position, whatever you're trying to do there. A buy signal is that. But I'd really like to see it come down here and touch that area, or maybe even the bottom of the trend line. And that's about 220. And I think it can do that. And hopefully we can get a nice little bounce for that area. Oh, we got Stray Guy. How's it going? Stray Guy says 111. I would say 111 too. Anita Joe says she'll be right back in 30 minutes. I want you to ask for ladies. Well, she knows that we already did ladies. All right, no problem, MG. All right, guys, well, we've been going for about an hour and 13 minutes. Not much. We got 15 people hanging out. I thank you for being here. Unfortunately, you do have to. You do have to put up with some ads on this channel. I'm sorry about that, but you do.
Subscribe to Road Dog Crypto.
I screwed that one up too.
Like bear eats you. Better call Road Dog. She gets house, I keep ape. Fair? No.
I keep turning off the wrong sound. I think I'm turning off the music in the background, and I'm turning off the others. Turning off the volume on the commercials. That can't really be. Sean, stop doing that. Blame it on Sean. That always works. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take one last look over here at our what's popping and what's not popping. And RAVE DAO, you say you're $19. You're lying to my face because I'm looking over here saying, I'm running to cash out. And you're not there. Wait a minute. Did you get me? I feel that did I not just buy RAVE? Or was I? Did you get me? You little bastard! You little bastard! You took me for 1.2% of my account, you little bastard. I feel the revenge trading coming on right now. I'm going to get that money back. I'm going to buy right now. Oh, we are at a trend line. You know I'm going to fall for that. You know I'm going to fall for this. You're so nasty, RAVE. You're nasty. You make me want it. You're teasing me. You're making me want to gamble so much. I don't trust that trend line as far as I can throw. What we got going on over here? Have you got anything sexy going on? I mean, for real, for real. I'm going to go to bodies. Oh, what the hell's that? That looks broken. That's not sexy. You got me for $1. You took my tiny counter down. You're supposed to make it go up, RAVE. I would short this, but I don't trust it to short it either. This little sucker is untrustworthy. What time frame are we on? I got my revenge trading vibes going on over here on RAVE. You are at an area you need to take a chill pill, baby. You got bearish divergence everywhere, and you just don't care. You manipulated little thing. But what you do have, outside of all of that, let me get rid of these things. You do have that rising price, and you got a lot of falling volume over here. I'm so tempted to short you. I just don't think that's going to work either. I do not want to chop up my tiny account on RAVE. Are you crossing over? See, she looks like she's going to cross over, and then she'll just take off out of the blue over here. That's a U-turn trying to happen there. What are you doing? That's a 3-minute. Look, shoulder, head and shoulder. Is it? It's possible. All right. Well, no, I'm being tempted by a trend line over here idea. They could totally go against me. Can I do this without risking a full $1 though? Because I'm tired of that. I went a little degen over there. So I will probably, I need to tone down if I'm going to play this. If I'm going to revenge trade it, I want to at least get a little bit of revenge. I can't do it if I buy as many contracts as I did. I went in tiny. Oh crap, that's still $1. You liquidate me, I'm down $1. You little not Jews, but you're a little bastard. I'm not being anti-Semitic. I just said you little bastard. Has nothing to do with the Jewish community. I don't have a good at all. Don't. I don't see a reason why if you lost that 100, you wouldn't come down here and get that 200, which is at my liquidation point, which is like I just gave you another $1. I think I'm revenge trading. I want my revenge now. Send me my $1 back. No refunds. Well, hell, I'm only okay. So my stop loss stops me at 50 cents, so it's not as terrible. Come on up, baby. Give me my money back. Oh, we're up 5%. Who took this trade with me? Who took this trade with me? You better not counter trade me. Don't counter trade the turkey. You regret it. Don't counter trade the turkey. I'm totally joking. Turkey's being a degen asshole right now. If I'm going to be honest with you, just jump. And that's all I've done with RAVE. Any profits I made off of RAVE, I've given back about half of them because it's a degen freaking coin. What has happened with RAVE? I think you tore me up, haven't you? Oh, here's one. I had 3. I made $1.32. Yay! I just lost all that. So yeah, pretty much gave back all the profits I had with the stop loss. And this stopped me out here. It was up like 100%. At one time it was up 200%. I should have just got out there. But I said, no, let's go add to the trade. So we settled there for $1.32. But so we lost that little sucker. And then Bitcoin got me for 2.43% over here. And then, of course, this is what all the stop losses look like before over here. But still trying to keep him within my 1% as best as I can, right? And then we had a good day and made a little gains. This is why this account did not have the love that my other week's account had over here. This one did better today. And River, do I need to take profit on you again? Are you going up? Oh, River. River's back, baby. We're back. Are we? I mean, are you back? Why do you got to lose a trend line, River? Why you got to do me that way, man? I was wanting to add to my trade. Little Degen area to add to the trade, and you can't make it up there yet, man. What's up with you? I'm just saying. You made me want to take some more profits. River? I thought we already did. I think we did. I'm doing it again, though. Shit, I'm up 100%, 112%. I'm taking me some. This stuff goes against you in a heartbeat. All right, so I took another 25%. Now I might actually, I don't know. I could make an argument that maybe I'll add to the trade. You want to interpret that as a bearish retest, or do we want to put a 2-point trend line, convince ourselves that it's in a channel? Well, if I do this, I have a more convincing argument, and I'll go, okay, maybe I'll fall for that little idea. See all the excuses I'm making in my head to get in this trade? This is total degen right here. So if I want to nibble, since I took some profits, I swear to God, you do a head and shoulders to the downside, I'm coming after you, River. This is stupid. Tawny, though. Oh, look, you knocked me up a little bit. Now I got to put my stop loss up here. Stop loss I'm going to put under these guys. You come and get me. Wait a minute. I'm in profit, right? Whoa. How can I put my stop loss above my entry but still not be in profit, mister? Can you explain that to me? Oh, you're a take profit. Are you a short? Why do I have a take profit down here? That makes no sense. Something is askew here. Something is askew here. Are we in a river? We're not in a river short. That doesn't make any sense. That did not make any. I'm confused. Did we just get out of that trade? Son of a bitch. We just closed our trade. Well, I have no. We're so degen that we can ruin a trade in a heartbeat, ladies and gentlemen. We're so degen we can ruin a trade in a heartbeat. I just got out of that trade. Am I going to FOMO back in at the top? Am I going to buy the top? I don't think so. Can't believe I just did that. Well, all right. This turkey's just gonna stop. Probably a good idea. You broke that trend line anyway. Crappy trend line as it is. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. 19 of the coolest people ever hanging out with the fried turkey. Speaking of fried turkey.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks to our sponsor of the night, Good Ass Coffee.
The morning's gray, the clocks are full, the world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow.
Good Ass Coffee.
Coffee's here, you know.
Good Ass Coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Just realized you have no music to listen to. I just been rocking out over here in my head, and you guys haven't been able to hear none of it. Look, is that a shoulder, head and shoulder? It's lower than this one, so it's got a little something there. If you want to draw a neckline, I recommend going with all the touches that you got. I'm so sure you can call it head and shoulders. There's a lot of things you could call it. You could call it this too. You could call it an open and broadening pattern. Some might even pinch the tip and say it's a symmetrical triangle. Which of the three are you going to choose, mister? Oh, wait, there's one more. Well, no, we kind of got that idea with this one over here. So, which pick your poison there, mister. They all got the same gosh darn measure view too. If you break to the downside, takes us right back down to miss 360 moving average down at $17 for RAVE. Could that happen? Oh well. If that measure move works, it might happen. Personally, for me, I like to pull the old fibs out from the bottom to the top. And I'm saying you might actually have something. I want to lower this little guy. Not let it be a measure move, let it be a 382 Fibonacci. That'd be a nice little place to look for. For me to get back in RAVE, I'm kind of looking for 1760. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a Degen. I'm going to take a little Degen limit order. See if I get it. Just wait to see if it feels. Oh, that's where I got stopped out of river. Hey, I made 77%. I only had a couple of dollars in it, so it gave me, and that was at the very end. I already took some profit earlier, right? So, yay. Well, that's cool. So I'm looking at 1722. I'm sorry, 1422. Wait a minute. Why do we got such a big price discrepancy? You are $19 over here. Why are you not $19 over here? What the flying flukers, man? Something is askew here. Arbitrage opportunity. Well, let's arbitrage this. We'll buy a 100 RAVE over here and sell them for $19 over on the other exchange. Are we still in this? We're not in this. Oh my God, we're in a RAVE trade already. Oh, that's right. Oh, screw it then. I forgot. We're in RAVE. I saw this idea. This is Syscoin. A little no-name, little coin. I bought it because, well, I saw she was at support and she could be doing something. So I took a little gander at her, and it's doing something. I mean, a tiny gander. I mean, this is a tiny count, right? I mean, I went tiny, but I'm up 16% on that little bugger. I might add a little bit more to this. I mean, when I say tiny, this is a tiny count, by the way. I just added. Now I got 26 cents margin in it. I know it's hardly anything. My liquidation is my stop loss on this one. I went 14x on it too. I went Degen with a tiny amount. I'm just playing around with that. But I did see the possibility that it could bounce, so I thought, that looks like a trade that I would want to take. It's a little no-name meme coin. It was hot a couple years ago. Then nobody cared about it. The usual story here for meme coins. Ladies and gentlemen, 14 the coolest people hanging out. We've been going for about an hour and 27 minutes right now. I want to take one more last look at Bitcoin over here. Let's go to our 6-minute time frame. So we did find support here at the 382. We're trying, I hope that we bounce from there. We're following a trend line and it's flirting with losing it. It may be coming back. It'll probably be coming back down here. I don't know if it will hold. We got some rollovers. Let's hope that it holds. If it holds, we got a chance to meet these targets over here. 78,000 could be coming. If we do lose it, the next area that I would be looking for would be down here around 72.7 to see if we catch at the 0.5 Fibonacci, because we got a lot of moving averages hanging out over there, and it's right in a possible support resistance split right here. It's a shallow one, but it might work. From there, we've got our trend line, which is on down to about $72,000 to retest that idea. Hopefully, we got our higher high. We're looking for our higher low. And it would be great if we can hold this one. It's trying, but they always look like they're going to hold before they don't. This guy kind of makes me suspect, but we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down to 72.7, but maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know. I'm just a turkey, and I'm fried half the time, or baked. Fried or baked turkey with mayo. See you on the end screen, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck trading, and hopefully we'll have some more good days like we had today and help these accounts grow. See you on the end screen. did not. I did not. Did I miss out? Did it go up? Because I didn't keep up with it. I did not get the Aptos trade. I forget a lot. Jenny won't skate with me.
They say I'm crazy, they say I'm lost. I say I'm just a stoner who believes in the cause. I'm baked on beats.
That is true. Penny briefed on that one. Oh, Nita, we went over, ladies.
Taking fat green hits. Sats in my wallet, smoke in my lungs. Baked on BTC. That's how the real ones run. FOMO hits hard when the candles go green. I hit the dab rig and chase the next dream. Red days got me couch like paranoid as hell, but one good pump and I'm ringing the bell. They say I'm crazy, they say I'm lost. I say I'm just a stoner who believes in the cause. I'm baked on BTC, floating through the dips. Baked on BTC, taking fat green hits. Sats in my wallet, smoke in my lungs. Baked on BTC. That's how the real ones run. Halving's coming, the smoke's getting thick. I'm stacking in silence while the normies get sick. They laugh at the Armins, they call it a scam. I just pass the joint and say, thank you, ma'am. I'm baked on BTC, floating through the dips. Baked on BTC, taking fat green hits. Sets in my wallet, smoke in my lungs. Baked on BTC, that's how the real ones run. We don't need no bank control. We don't need no KYC scroll. bankers' tools. No more watching our savings deflate. We don't need no permission to create. Green candle makes my heart do a flip. I swear the whales are watching me through my phone's little slit. Is that a rug pull? Is that a trap? Or am I just too baked to read the chart right back? The joint says relax, the chart says run. Brains in the battle and neither side is won. Paranoia pump, paranoia dump. I'm high as hell and the charts doing jumps. 1 minute I'm genius, next minute I'm dumb. Paranoia pump, that's the crypto hum.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. Happy trading tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow night. Jesus loves you. Let's get out of here and make these accounts grow.